Welcome to the Daily Inspirational Motivation channel. This moment is your reminder that quiet habits shape loud outcomes. What people say about you when you're not around is your real reputation. And sometimes, without even knowing, we do things that slowly break the very trust we want to build. If you talk behind someone's back, people will stop trusting you. Even if they laugh with you, deep down, they'll wonder, what do you say about them when they're not around? Choose your words carefully, because respect starts when the room is empty. If you keep making promises you don't keep, people will stop taking your word seriously. Even small promises, they count. Say what you mean and mean what you say. When you're always late, it doesn't just say you're busy. It says you don't value their time. And when you do that enough times, people stop waiting for you in conversations and opportunities in life. Oversharing every detail of your life doesn't make you authentic. It makes people feel uncomfortable. Your peace comes when you learn the art of quiet strength. If you constantly try to be the center of attention, people won't admire you. They'll avoid you. You don't need loud energy to be seen. Confidence is calm. If every time someone shares something, you say, "I know," people will stop sharing because they'll feel dismissed. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can say is, "Tell me more." If you joke by putting others down, you may win a laugh, but you lose trust. People never forget how you made them feel. Choose humor that lifts, not breaks. When you always play the victim, you block your own growth. Everyone goes through pain, but how you respond shapes your future. Take accountability. It's the real beginning of freedom. If you keep interrupting, talking over others, cutting in, they'll stop opening up to you. People need to feel heard, not overshadowed. If you don't listen, they'll stop talking. If you can't control your emotions, it makes people feel unsafe. It's okay to feel deeply, but don't let every mood explode into the room. Calmness is power. If you only call people when you need something, they notice. Relationships built on taking never last. Give, listen, support, without expecting something back. You don't always need to win the argument. Being right isn't worth losing respect. Sometimes the strongest move is walking away in peace. When you mess up and blame everyone else, you're showing immaturity. Own it. Say, "That was me." It builds trust faster than any excuse ever could. If you break trust in small ways, like lying, hiding things, talking in circles, those tiny cracks eventually collapse the whole bridge. Protect trust like it's made of glass. And when you act one way with one person and completely different with another, people start questioning, who are you really? Be authentic. Be consistent. Be real. Your reputation isn't built by a single act. It's shaped by every quiet choice, every small word, every repeat habit. It's how you treat people when you're tired. It's how you respond when no one is watching. And once it's gone, rebuilding it feels like trying to glue shattered glass. So protect your name, guard your energy, and most of all, stay real. Because when people can trust you, when they can depend on your word, when your presence brings peace, not pressure, that's when you become unforgettable. If this message touched you, pass it on to someone who needs to hear it. And if you believe in quiet personal growth, like, share, and subscribe for more reminders that real power is silent but strong.